Before we even start, I want you to look at this right now.
Hello, friends! Let's go down to the happy pond.
Hello, friends! Let's go down to the happy pond. Are you ready to jump? 1, 2, 3, go! Little frog, ribbit, ribbit, jump, jump. Little frog, ribbit, jump, jump. Little frog, ribbit, ribbit, jump, jump. Little frog, boing! Paddling duck, quack, quack, butterfly, paddling duck. Quack, quack, butterfly, paddling duck. Quack, quack, butterfly, paddling duck. Quack, quack! Jumping fish, splish, splash, splish, splash, swim, swim. Jumping fish, splish, splash, splish, splash. Jumping fish, splish, splash, splish, splash, swim, swim. Jumping fish, splash! Green turtle, creep, creep, crawl, crawl, hide, hide. Green turtle, creep, creep, crawl, crawl, hide, hide. Green turtle, creep, creep, crawl, crawl, hide, hide. Green turtle. Happy pond, clap, clap, wiggly, yay, yay. Happy pond, clap, clap, wiggly, yay, yay. Happy pond, clap, clap, wiggly, yay, yay. Happy pond. Woohoo!
Welcome back to Velox Vision Today. We are talking about a secret that can completely change your life. Look at these Faceless kids channels on YouTube. Let's do some simple math together. If YouTube pays just $2 for every 1,000 views, can you imagine how much money these channels are making when they hit 1 million, 10 million, or even 1 billion views? We are talking about $50,000 to $100,000 every single month. It is absolute madness, and they do it just by uploading simple nursery rhymes. You can do exactly this starting today. What if I told you that the stunning 3D Cocomelon style poem you are watching right now was made 100% with free AI tools? No animation experience, no expensive studio, and absolutely no showing your face. In today's video, I am going to give you my ultimate step-by-step masterclass. I will show you exactly how to write viral kid songs, generate professional music, and create 3D animated movies that the algorithm will love. So pay very close attention because this video is going to blow your mind. Let's get started. To create a high-quality viral kids animation video like this, we are going to break the entire process down into 5 very simple steps. Step 1, write the lyrics. Step 2, generate AI music. Step 3, create 3D characters. Step 4, animate into video. Step 5, final editing. It is super easy and I am going to guide you through every single click. So without any further delay, let's jump straight into step number 1, writing our viral lyrics. First, head over to Gemini. Now, I have already created the ultimate master prompt for you all. Let's take a look at it. Right at the start, we command the AI to act as an expert children's songwriter and tell it to create a Cocomelon-style kids song. But here is the real secret sauce. At the very end, we instruct the AI to format the lyrics with structural tags like intro and verse and outro. This is a massive trick because it optimizes the text perfectly so the AI music tools know exactly how to sing it. Now right here where it says insert song name here, we are going to type Baby Shark. But you can literally put any poem or topic you want. I am giving away this exact master prompt for free in my exclusive WhatsApp group. If you want it, just drop a comment below saying link, and I will reply with the invite link. All right, let's click submit. It's going to take just a few seconds. And boom, look at this masterpiece. We have a perfectly structured song. It gave us the intro, beautiful verses about a little jumping frog and a paddling duck, and it even added sound effects in brackets like bowing and quack quack. This is exactly what a high retention kids video needs. I'm simply going to copy all of this text. Just like that, step 1 is completely done. Now let's move on to step number 2, turning these lyrics into a studio quality song. For this, we are heading over to Suno.ai. Now, a quick professional tip for you guys. Suno does offer free generation, but if you want full commercial rights to monetize your videos on YouTube without facing any copyright issues, you will need one of their paid plans. It is incredibly cheap, and as you are about to see, the quality it produces is absolute magic and totally worth the investment for a serious YouTube business. Once you are on the Suno interface, go over to the left menu and click on Create. At the top of your screen, you will see a button that says Custom. Make sure you click that to turn it on. This opens up our custom mode, giving us 2 main boxes, lyrics and style of music. Go ahead and paste our copied Gemini lyrics directly into the lyrics box. Because we used those special tags in our master prompt, Suno will understand the structure perfectly. Now for the style of music, let's jump quickly back to Gemini. Simply type Give Me Style, and hit Submit. In just a second, it will give you a couple of great musical styles. I'm going to copy the bouncy Cocomelon style one, head back over to Suno, and paste it right into the style box. Now, hit Create. You will see two different song variations loading on the right side of your screen. We just wait a few moments, and finally, they are ready. You can listen to both and see which one you like best. I personally think the second one sounds incredibly catchy and perfect for kids, so I am going to use that one. To save your masterpiece, simply click on the three little dots right next to the song, scroll down to Download, and click on Audio or MP3. And there we have it. Our first two steps are completely done. We have viral lyrics and a fully produced high-energy kids song ready to go. Now, forget about using 10 different confusing tools. For our visuals, we are going to use just one super tool to generate both our images and our animations. But first, we need a solid plan. Head back over to the exact same Gemini chat where you generated your lyrics. To make a truly professional kids video, I have created an ultimate master prompt for you. You can see it on the screen right now. I am not going to read the whole thing, but let's quickly break down the most important parts. First, we are commanding the AI to act as an expert video director. Second, look at this critical rule. In kids' songs, lines repeat constantly. This rule forces the AI to create a completely new scene and camera angle, even for repeated lines, which is the ultimate secret to keeping kids hooked. And finally, we lock in that ultra-bright Cocomelon 3D style for perfect consistency. You don't need to type this out. This exact master prompt is waiting for you in my private WhatsApp group. Just comment link below and I'll send you your invitation. Now, scroll to the bottom of the prompt where it says paste your full lyrics here. Paste the poem we just generated and hit submit. Let's give it a moment, and boom, look at this. For every single line of our song, Gemini has given us a perfect 3D image prompt and right below it the exact image to video motion prompt. We now have a complete professional workflow ready to go. Now let's bring these scenes to life. Head over to our super tool, Grok AI. On the side menu, click on the Imagine tab. This opens up our creation studio. It's super clean. You'll see two main options, image and video, and you can even select your aspect ratio right here for YouTube. Let's start the magic. Go back to Gemini, copy the image prompt for the very first line, paste it into Grok's prompt box, and hit generate. Wow, look at that. It gave us multiple stunning variations from different angles. They are bright, cute, and exactly the style we need. Pick the one you like the most. Now, switch the toggle at the top from image over to video. Go back to Gemini, copy the matching image to video prompt, paste it in, and hit generate. Wait a few seconds, and boom! Look at that smooth, child-friendly animation. It took our static image and brought it to life perfectly. Now, all you have to do is repeat this simple copy-paste process for every line of your poem. Generate the image, turn it into a video, download it, and your scenes are done. And now, we arrive at the final and most important part of the entire process, the editing. For this, we are going to use CapCut. Go ahead and open a new project in CapCut, and you will see a clean interface that looks exactly like this. Over here on the side, you will see the import button. Click on that, and it will instantly open up your gallery. First things first, you want to import that viral kids song we generated in Suno and drag it right down onto your audio track. Next, click Import again and bring in all of those stunning 3D video clips we just animated. Now, the fun part begins. All you have to do is drag those video clips onto your timeline and adjust them perfectly so they match the lyrics of the audio. Just place each animation exactly where those specific words are being sung. And you just repeat this simple process for the entire poem. Once you are done, just look at this. You have a highly professional, incredibly engaging kids animation completely ready to go. To finish up, simply head up to the top corner, click Export, and your masterpiece is saved and ready. Click Export, and your masterpiece is saved and ready for YouTube. Now, as promised, if you want to grab the exact master prompts I used in this video so you can copy and paste this entire workflow, make sure to join my exclusive WhatsApp creator group. Just type the word link in the comments below and I will personally reply with your invitation. Also, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what topic or AI tool should I make my next video about. If this step-by-step masterclass brought you value today, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on these secret AI strategies. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.